Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to customize Wix templates for your brand identity. First, all you need to do is head over to Wix, create an account, and then create a site. From here, you can choose to either use AI or go to the templates, which is what I will do. You'll then need to select what sort of site you're making, and then from here, click on Design Site, and then click on Pick a Template. From here, it will show you different templates depending on what you've chosen. I will choose, for example, this one. You can see it looks pretty nice, it looks very clean, and I can see that I'd be able to add my own branding in the top left and then change any colors, for example, to match my branding logo, etc. Once you've chosen the site, click on Edit this site, and as you can see, we're now in the editor for the site. From here, you can see on the left all the different things that you have. For example, you can add elements, sections, you can add any applications to facilitate purchasing from your website. And you can see all the different sections here that I can change depending on what I like to keep and what I don't want to keep. I'd definitely recommend going through these, adding anything that would help you to make the website your own. And that's basically it. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments below. Thank you for watching.